Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we're doing a little unboxing of some haul stuff that I've gotten recently and some PR that I was sent, which was very sweet. So first I'm just gonna go into Amazon, which I just ordered a foundation that I feel like I might have tried like 15 years ago and not again since, but it's like a cult classic L'Oreal product. And also make sure that if you guys are ordering stuff online and having things delivered, clean them outside or unbox them, and make sure to, you know, really thank the delivery people who are still working through all this. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup. I have the shade C3. It looks kind of dark, doesn't it though? Don't you think?
Yeah. What is that?
It looks kind of dark.
Oh.
I always get cool because L'Oreal, even the neutral, always looks very warm. Oh no, it's very dark. Crap. I mean, it's not insanely dark, but it's, that's pretty dark. I mean, it's C3, so that definitely shouldn't. I mean, and it was sold through L'Oreal on Amazon, so I mean, but that doesn't seem really right. We have Louie here helping me today, right, Lou?
Yeah.
I like you too.
I got the way you are.
You like me just the way I am? I like you just the way you are. The next is from Kat Von D Beauty, which is now sold to Kendo, and it's now renamed as like something vegan beauty. I love Kat Von D products. I do. And I'm not sorry. They just did a 40% off sale. Well, 30% off for everybody, and then for pros, you get 40% off. So I took advantage of that. And companies had two things out recently that I've really wanted to try, but I didn't want to pay full price for it. I guess they're trying to get rid of all the stuff that has her name on it because she's no longer like affiliated with the brand. All right, so they always send some like free stuff. So we have the setting powder in translucent and tattoo liner in Trooper Black, which I do have, which is fine. I'm not like in love with it like everybody else seems to be. But the products I really wanted to try, our first True Portrait liquid to powder foundation. Oh, I didn't know that part. I didn't realize it was liquid to powder. Okay. I have the shade Light 012, and I did shade match in Sephora like 2 months ago, and I'm pretty sure this was the right shade. I wrote it down somewhere, but of course I can't find it now. And this actually came with one of her Lock-It foundation brushes. I do have a few brushes from this line. I'm not really using that often though.
I'm not being loud.
No, you're not being loud, thanks. This one is one of those weirdly shaped concave kind of brushes. I'm not a huge brush fan when it comes to putting on foundation, but actually these remind me of the Sigma 3D brushes, or 4D brushes, I don't know. But I probably will try it just because of that fact, because I've been wanting to try those, but again, I don't want to pay Sigma prices, so. Okay, but I haven't heard anybody review this or anything, but I do follow, a few makeup artists that I follow do have said that they like this. One said they weren't crazy about it, but another said they really liked it. So I definitely want to try it. I don't know how I missed the whole liquid to powder thing, but I guess hopefully it's good. And then the last is the Pure Vida Lolita palette. I've been dying for this, but again, I didn't want to pay the full price for it. Now, to be fair, because I have a pro account for this brand, I usually get 30% off anyway, but 40 just pushed it over the edge for me. So look how pretty this is. Ooh.
What's that one?
I will show you. My only thing though is, I feel like it's not very Lolita reminiscent. I have the single Lolita shade, and I've tried the lipstick, which I don't love, but the single Lolita shade is a very warm, like deep mauve-y shade almost. And I don't really feel that here. This just feels like a really neutral palette, which is fine, but I just don't understand why they named it this. There is a pressed glitter in it, and there's also, I think these are like special kind of powders. It says 3 finishes. I'll have to figure out what the finishes are. One is pressed glitter. I'm gonna actually swatch all the big, like, shiny ones. Oh, it's cream. I've been wanting to try her actual, like, cream shadows. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put this on my eye right now. And let's look at this. Oh. Actually, no. The pressed glitter is really nice too. And it's a nice pressed glitter because it's really fine, so it is borderline spreadable like a shadow and not thick and chunky and patchy like other pressed glitters are. But this Luna shade right here, I want to try to put all over my eyes right now because I left them kind of naked and matte for this reason. So this is the shade Luna. This is the shade Dolce Sueños, I think. And this is Reina, the pressed glitter. Oh, really pretty. doesn't dry out. That is really nice. Not quite as creamy as like ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but still really, really nice. Like good quality for a high-end brand. Put the clip press glitter on. I feel like I should. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it just like this because I have more makeup that I might want to try swatches of or something like this. Maybe at the end I'll come back if I don't find anything that I like as much as this. Okay, so I'm really excited about this palette. And now I look just kind of random, like whatever. The next is from Moonchild Cosmetics. I paid for this, obviously. I only have one thing from PR. It's not from this brand, but this brand looks really cute. And I saw Teresa is Dead. She was going through her shadow palettes, her collection. I don't know if she was decluttering or just going through, but she pulled out a palette from this brand. It was the green palette, and it looked gorgeous. Like her swatches just looked amazing. And I know swatches are usually like bullshit, but they just looked really good that I had to go try. So this palette was on sale for $20, and this is the New Moon palette. And it's from Moon Slice Beauty, if I didn't say that before. I really like how like simple it is. This palette really, really spoke to me. Everything literally except for like these two like purpley shades, I will absolutely use. This shade, I already die over, and this one, absolutely. Feel really nice. All right, I'll swatch just a few of the matte shades first, and they feel very, very creamy and super pigmented, like to the point where I might have to be careful, which is not a bad thing. It's slightly nerve-wracking when you're using them. I shouldn't say anything because I haven't even tried them yet with a brush, but I'm excited. And now let's swatch a few of the metallics. These feel a little, I was gonna say they don't feel as creamy, but whoa. This is unbelievable. Okay, I'm putting the green one on my eye. It's duochrome. Actually, green at the end and the blue, these both look like kind of duochrome. Like they're definitely duochrome. Wow, I'm really excited. Okay, let me put this like teal one on my eyes. All right. Oh, wow. Look how pretty that is. And I mean, you can't see the duochrome to that green that I can see in real life, but it's gorgeous. And then this deep green here is also like duochrome. Wow, I'm really excited. Super high hopes for this because, I mean, this just looks amazing. I'm so excited for this. You know, let's top everything with the glitter. Let's just do it. Who cares? Now, of course, because pressed glitters have this thing where like they usually stick to your finger really well, still depositing a really good amount. Like I said, it's very fine glitter. So it goes Tarte pressed glitter, Kat Von D pressed glitter, and then ColourPop. Best 3 pressed glitters I've ever felt. And actually, for once, I'm gonna save this insert to hopefully keep the cream shadows from drying out. Now, the last is PR from a company called Blue Base. I've never heard of them. I'm assuming like they're an indie brand, but they were really sweet. They emailed me, and normally when I see these kind of emails, I automatically respond and say thanks, but no thanks. Companies are doing this thing now to micro influencers, which is what I am. Instead of sending us PR, and I'm not referring to this company, but this is what it is now for small influencers who are getting in the game right now thinking, oh, I'm gonna get a channel and get a bunch of PR. What people are doing now, or what companies are doing now, they're sending you an email and saying, oh my God, we love your channel, like you're amazing. We would love to make you an ambassador or an affiliate for our brand, which is like usually a small indie brand. Instead of just sending us PR to talk about how it used to be done, like they would send channels, you know, products to just do what they want with. If they want to talk about it, great. If not, that's fine too. But they were sending it in hopes that they would talk about it and promote it for them. But now they're doing strings attached, is what I'm calling it. They're offering to send you something in exchange for, oh, here's an ambassador code that you can give them. Basically, for you to make a little bit of money off it too, which I understand the need for people to want to do that to make money because we all want to make money. But I personally don't want to do that because I don't feel trustworthy doing it because, I don't know, I'm just very iffy about that part of YouTube. So when they reached out to me, I saw like something at the end of their email saying, oh, we have this ambassador program. And the minute I saw that, I was like, nope, I don't want to do it. So I emailed them back and I said, thank you so much for contacting me, but I don't do ambassador programs. Like, thank you anyway, but that's not what my channel's about. And they said, no, you don't have to sign up for that, but we'd like to send you PR. And I was like, oh, okay. Okay, that's fine too. Wonderful, great. So they sent me this box, and they are a cosmetic company, but I think it's like tools. So this is Base Blue Cosmetics. And I know that was long-winded what I just got into. Oh my God, how cute. Look how cute. It says, please enjoy these products on behalf of Base Blue Cosmetics. All right, so they have sponges, which I'm always intrigued to try. And they come in these cute little diamond packages. How cute. This is called the AirSponge. AirSponge is made from high-density material that can be used to reach a flawless look. The latex-free sponge can be used dry, wet, to apply foundation, cream blush, or highlighter. Now, I think they're the same sponge, but this one, oddly enough, feels a little bit softer than this one. Weird. I'm gonna keep both of these, but let me go wet these to see how they feel wet, because that's a whole nother story. So give me 1 second. All right, so they did grow in size, and honestly, when I was wetting them, I was like, oh no, these are like gonna be hard. No, they almost feel like, you know those stress balls? They're not filled with like sand or anything, but it's a very different kind of dense material than my e.l.f. sponge or my Wet n Wild or even a regular beauty blender. I'm intrigued, so I'm definitely going to try these in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. All right, the next, it looks like, ooh, we have some lashes, some very, very fluffy lashes. Okay, the packaging of all this stuff is really cute. These, I already know I'll never, I mean, these are just way, way too va-va-boom. Let's see, these are the Flying Lashes. So these are in the style Swift, which is like a very thick, lush, fluffy kind. The next are in the style Treepie? Treepie? Which is a little bit better, but still very, very long. I don't know if I can get away with these. But these, I'm definitely gonna keep and try. These are in the style Skylark, which I love lashes that have that empty space in between them. Do you see what I'm saying? Like the jagged lashes, I guess you could say. I'm definitely gonna try these. These, I will save for a giveaway, but the packaging, like how sleek it is, I really like. And next is this, oh wait, there's another pair. Oh, these are in the style Starling. And I actually might keep these too because they're not as long as the other ones, so maybe I can get away with these. And then this box, which is one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Hats off to you on your packaging, Base Blue. I keep wanting to say Blue Base. Base Blue, Washington, D.C. I mean, this is no joke, this box. Oh, it's a brush that you, like it's an interchangeable brush. Oh, cool. Okay, so it just looks like there's an eye brush, a shadow brush inside, which I mean definitely could be used for like packing on, but it's probably not big enough to do much more than that. You could probably smoke out your lower lash line with this. Probably not get too far as putting on the rest of your makeup, at least mine anyway. And then this huge, gorgeous brush, which I will most likely be using the most because this is something I can interchange with my Kenzie brush. Because it doesn't feel super densely packed, like it looks like a thick brush, and it is, but it doesn't feel like how this feels, which is like super dense and hard and this, anyway, we're talking about that. Yeah, that's really fun. Well, I'm really excited. Thank you so much for sending me this stuff. I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna put this over here. That was so fun. Thank you so much. And oh, I hate to throw this box away. It's so pretty. Like it's not a joke. Lou, I got a new box for you. There you go. So thank you so much. That was so sweet and amazing, and I'm so grateful. So keep an eye out. I'm gonna be trying everything in a video coming up within the next like week. So let me know what you want to see most, and I will make it happen. I mean, I'll do a video and use all these things, but I mean, I only have one face, so I can't use every single thing in a video, but you know what I'm saying. Let me know what you want to see the most in the comments below, and stay safe, stay healthy, take care of each other, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Welcome.